Hello, friend. Wait. Whee! Yoink. Austin, look! I have a lizard here. Austin, he's so big. And he's also slow.
Why is he an albino?
I don't know. Here you go.
Well,
You
don't
want?
let him bite me. Don't let him bite me. I just want to see it.
It's not like a yellow-spotted lizard from what's it called? Holes. Because it's Camp Green Lake.
Yeah, don't hold it by the tail.
All right, I'm gonna put you back. Eat. Oh, friend. All right. Nice claws.
Honestly,
Oh.
what happens when you put him down?
Sure.
Just put him down on the sand.
Here you go. Hey.
Bro, you killed him probably.
Huh?
Don't do that. He's gonna detach his tail.
Ooh, scary.
Stop.
Look at the way he just jumps up.
You probably choked him.
Nah,
That's why
he's
I
not
hit it.
that fragile. Let's go.